Welcome back. This is Gopi Krishna. I'm just continuing the class for PLM 200 for creation of activities and networks in a project. Here is the book and this is the lesson. And once we completed the basic explanation of this one, we can go to the exercise for this. Here, activities and networks for the creation of this. They're asking us to create a project and how we are going to add various type of activities in a network and all. We'll see how we can implement the same as per the book. And here we have project builder transaction ECJ20N, and we will create copy project and we'll choose T-27531 and a description as a standard description, turbine group, and I'm just provided the description, and I'm providing that starting date as today's date simply, and yeah, we can copy paste from one tab to one tab by simply selecting that and placing the right button here. Automatically just select it and place the target and just right click, it will come automatically. We will improve the year for a year. The project duration is 1 year. Our project profile is turbine model group 1, and the standard project definition is T-20001, and we will just click on OK. It will copy each and everything. It is mentioning that today is not a working day. It is asking us to choose another new entry. We will choose that. Simply today is Sunday, so we will choose Monday as a working day, and we will see even 3 of 10 is not a working day. We'll choose another day. We pressed OK button, so it will consider as a warning is negligible, and it will proceed for to copy the all the contents. Here you can see this is our project definition, and this is the temporary network number, and these are various WBS elements which are available in the T-20001 standard project, and these are all various activities inside this WBS elements. All once we clicked on the save project, it will provide a valid network number and it will be saved in the database. After that, we will see how we are going to add an external activity to the yeah, it has some basic issues. You don't need to bother about it. You just click on as. It will check the basic things and it will save it. If yeah, we got some memory related problem. We will continue in a few seconds. Welcome back, guys. We just recovered the memory related problem, and here we are after adding including the standard project WBS element to our project. Simply it is coming like this. We will just save the WBS elements and project simply by using save button here. Once it is completed, our project will be saved in the database successfully, and once it is done, we will see how we are going to add an external activity to the first level WBS element. Here, as per the document, it's mentioned that for the first engineering and design WBS element, we need to add an external activity. Simply choose the activity, and you can change the number here directly 1400, and we will mention the text without caption as engineering of rotating blades. And once it is done, we will just hit the enter. so that our external activity will be created, and it will be uh, created under this WBS element. And before that we have provided info record is nothing but purchasing info record, and because of this is an external activity, all the data from this record will be copied to our WBS element. And hence it is coming as 1400 here with valid entries here. After completion of this, we are going to add another internal processing activity to the same WBS element, simply selecting that, and you can see internal processing WBS element, or you can simply double click on it. It will create the WBS automatically, and we need to provide the activity number. This is the another way of creating the activities. The way earlier we are just gone to the activity overview in the particular WBS element, and we added a new entry in the external processing tab page. And this is another way by choosing the respective WBS element, and we are choosing the respective activity in the individual objects in the left side bottom window, and direct double click will open the detail screen of the project, and we will provide our details here, and we will provide the basic criteria needed for a internal activity is a work center, and the work is needed is 10 hours, and the normal duration of this activity is 2 days, and we will just hit then enter. It will create the internal processing activity under particular WBS element. Now for the same WBS element we are creating a cost activity, simply dragging and dropping for the particular WBS element also will work this is another way of creating the activity for a WBS element. We will provide the various number as from the document, and we will provide the description, and we will just provide the amount, how much amount they have mentioned. This is 4,000 euros. After completion of this, we will see how we are going to create various relationships between the activities. Simply you can choose the 6,000 activity, and you can see relationship overview. After selecting the 6,000 activity named service, and we can see the relationship overview here. Once we click on here, we are now our target is we are linking up of 5,000 activity with a 6,000 activity. It's very simple. We have already opened a 6,000 activity, and we are choosing the 5,000 activity name. It's assembly and a test run. We'll choose that from here, assembly and a test run. We will choose that, and we will create on create relationship. Once it is done, the indicator will come here, and it will be displayed in the relationships. After completion of this, in the same way, this is one type of creating the relationship between two activities, and we have a very easy way from the network. After choosing the network graphic button will be enabled automatically. It won't activate for the remaining WBS or any other elements, only for the network header and the network activity elements it will be enabled. Hence choose the network header and choose the network graphic. It will open the network graphic in the same window, and we can see there are the existing things, and we can adjust the graph by using adjust complete graph in a beautiful manner. Once it is completed, we'll choose the activities, and we will reduce the display in a small level so that we can understood in very clear manner. After completion of this, what they mention is connecting between 1000 to 1400. First of all, before connecting, we need to change our command to connect mode from 1000 to 1400. They are asking us to create an FS relationship. From simply drag from 1000 to 1400, you can see it's created as FS relationship. After completion of this, between 1400 and 1500, simply select it, drag it here. it's coming as start relationship. You can double click on the particular relationship and a window will be opened here. You can change the relationship to FS and hit on OK and hit on continue. It will be changed accordingly. After 1400 and 1500, we are going to add 1500 to the 4000 which is available here. Simply from 1500 I am placing to 4000. Now it's created as SF relationship. Now we need to double click on SF relationship and a pop-up will come. Now we are changing to FS and clicking on OK, clicking on continue, hence it is changed to the respective thing. After completion of all these things, we will adjust the graph, adjust the complete graph. It came in a beautiful manner like this. After completion of this, we will just provide the various material cost for our activities. 3000 activity. We can open the detail screen of a particular activity from the network graphic directly by simply double clicking on the respective image in the graphic. It will open the detailed description in the separate window, and we can provide our options simply going to the assignments tab, and there is an option for material planning, and we will provide the value of 1,50,000 euros. After completion of this, you can press back button, it will come to the screen. And the same way we have completed for 3000 activity. Now for 3100 activity also we need to do the same thing. Here where is the 3100 document is here, and we are going to the assignments tab, and material planning we are providing 3,55,000 euros, and we are clicking on back button. And once we have completed everything, we can go to the previous page, is nothing but project builder page, and we will save. Hence all our changes will be saved in the database. Hence it is showing this message as project T-27531 is being created. It means that our changes are saved in the database properly. Thank you. We will continue the next lesson about creation of milestones in the next class. Thank you.